So friends, a couple of days ago, Vivo Taiwan announced that it would unveil the X200 FE on June 23 and revealed its design and color options, while the Malaysian branch revealed the smartphone would pack a 6.31 master color display and have 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage on board. Now, Vivo Malaysia has set up a promo page on its official website detailing the X200 FE's battery and cameras. Let's talk about the Vivo X200 FE's photography department first. The smartphone features 4 cameras, 1 on the front and 3 on the rear. Vivo has not divulged anything about the front camera but said the setup on the back is a combination of 50 megapixel primary, 50 megapixel telephoto and 8 megapixel ultra-wide unit. And the smartphone will comes with J-style bokeh and multifocal portrait packages supporting 5 focal lengths, and those are landscape portrait, narrative portrait, classic portrait, portrait and close-up portrait. Additionally, Vivo X200 FE users will get an AI image studio and AI image expander features, along with stage mode, which freezes every electrifying stage moment with amazing clarity and captures lead vocals and their loudest and best. Keeping up the Vivo X200 FE up and running will be a 6500 mAh Blue Volt battery advertised to provide 25 hours 44 minutes of YouTube playback or 9 hours 55 minutes of gaming on a single charge, and it will have 90-watt charging, and Vivo claims a 10-minute charge will provide you up to 3 hours of video streaming. And the Vivo X200 FE will be 7.9 mm thick and weight 186 gram, and it will run on Android 15 based FunTouch OS 15 out of the box and come with an AI office suite, including AI screen translation, circle to search, smart call assist and AI captions features. And the Vivo X200 FE will have a metal build and 4 color options, and those are black lux, blue freeze, pink vibe and yellow glow. And the Vivo X200 FE is rumored to be a rebranded Vivo S30 Pro Mini, which was launched in China last month. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.